Welcome to Hdds tutorial. We have two methods of calculating Hdds. So I have to create another copy. So you click the tab Hdds, right click, move or copy, create a copy. I want it to be before food secure sheet. Here it is before food secure sheet. So the first method is the one which I prefer. First thing, Control T. Your data is formatted as a table. We have 11 food groups from starchy up to spices. There are 11. If you consume a certain food group, you are going to be given a mark, a single mark, 1 mark for consuming. So that our HDDS, it ranges from 0 up to 11. So the one who is considered to have a best diet is the one who have 11, who have consumed all 11 foodstuffs. So our first thing is we want to find yes and replace it with 1. Assign 1 to F. So control find yes as it is written, replace with 1, replace all, click OK. Then we want to find no, and we replace it with 0. We replace all. Then we now compute HDDS. It's a score. As you can see, it is an indicator of food security. Once someone have a score of 11, is considered to be secured in terms of food. Once someone have a score of below 5, is struggling to access food. So our HDDS is equal to sum. You click until the brackets appear, then you pick the range. Then you click enter. This is our HDDS. As you can see, you can click here. It ranges from 0 up to 11. Okay, so the ones with 11, they have considered to have a balanced diet, and the one with 0 actually practically impossible. Can consume 0 food groups. Then we go to another method. So we move to another sheet. First thing, Control T, format as a table. You come to P1 HDDS. It's equal to count if. So you click count if, then you select the range. As you can see here, the formula is already predicting something. You have to put a range and a comma and then criteria. So we have the range. You put a comma, then you want to pick a criteria. I want to select this one purposely, and you click enter. Now we have our HDDS. But as you can see, this one is a score of 11, but actually we don't have a yes. So there is a mistake. The only good thing you have to correct, you have to lock this sheet, this cell. Why? Because Excel on this row, it picks G31, and on this row it picks G32. So you see that your criteria is not constant. Actually G31 is yes and G32 is no. There comes a problem. So the correct method, you come here to the first, you lock you put a $sign after and you put another $sign before. This is locking. Now it can give you correct answers. It ranges from 0 to 11. These ones are correct. Another one, another method. Let's do another one. Delete Hdds is equal to count if. You select the range, you put a comma, you open quotes, you type yes as it is written, you close quote, click enter. That one is simple. You type a yes in quotes, then you are done. Then we want to go maybe to some certain analysis. We want to see which district is better than the other, as we know that Hdds is the indicator of food security. So we want to know, as an indicator, we want to know the food security. So you click anything inside the bracket, the table, come insert pivot table. Okay. Then district rows, we want to see the average Hdds per district. You click here, value feed setting, average. We can see that Hwange is an average Hdds of 5,3. What it means, on average, people in Hwange consume 5 food groups to 11. So you can see that Hwange is 5, Lupane is 6, 5,6. We can do what we have done on food consumption score, so that we click anything inside, analyze pivot chart. We can see Hwange is somehow the lowest, followed by Ngai. Lupane and Umguza are actually better, but they are all far from 11. 11 is the best. You are considered to have a balanced diet, or you are considered to have a food security. Why? Because you have access to all food groups, while Hwange only have access to 5 food groups. As we know, from starchy, Madora, and Harurwa, that is sort of like just small food groups you can access. Chakata, it's also as an indicator of food security. Thank you guys for watching this.